Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you fix your sponsor limit in Cash App. So simply, guys, first of all, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, here's the option of VPN. If there is a connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may click here on General, and you may click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys, you may go back and you may open your app store, and in search bar you may write here Cash App, and you make sure that you have latest or updated version of Cash App. If you're not latest or updated version, please update your app from here. Then guys, you may open your Cash App and you may log in or sign in with your account. Then guys, you may click here on your profile icon, and you may scroll down, and here is the option of family. So you may click here and you may select any sponsor account from here, and you may set the limit of your sponsored account between $5 to $400, and your sponsored account can buy purchase stocks, bitcoins, cryptocurrency, or any other gifts that you want to purchase between $5 to $400. And you can also set the limit of your sponsored account between $5 to $400. So by this method, guys, you can set the limit. So if this method does not work and you are unable to set limit, then guys, you may click here on support, and guys, you may contact to Cash App support team and tell them your problem, and Cash App support team will fix it as soon as possible. So by all this method, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.